Hello everyone and welcome back to the Excel Basics course. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to customize the toolbar in Excel to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. First, look for the three dots icon on the toolbar at the top. Click it to open more options. You'll see different options that you can add or remove based on what you need. New, this creates a new blank workbook. Print, this allows you to print your worksheet. Undo, this lets you go back and reverse the last action. Repeat, this repeats your last action, super helpful when you're working on repetitive tasks. For example, imagine I accidentally deleted a value, like a total in my table, and I want to bring it back. All I have to do is click undo, and just like that, it's restored. Here's a quick tip. You can hide the toolbar by double-clicking on the toolbar area, and it will collapse. To bring it back, simply press Command plus Option plus R if you're on Mac. That's a neat shortcut to know. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the full Excel course playlist in the description below. See you in the next lesson.